Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. When you're buying a film change bag, do get it checked out first, or examine it, or have the seller show you. You want to make sure that not only it has an outer elastic rim for the arms and the hands, but inside here, you don't want any light to escape, okay? And creep up inside there. So when you're putting your hands up inside of here, you know, you want both arms up in there, of course. All right? You want to get those up in there. If you have somebody else with you who can also, and it's also kind of good, I suppose, you want to take some of the tape and wrap it around here. That's good as well to make sure everything is secure. All right? So we can pull that out of there. Turn this around. These things are big, as they should be. They're good for easily 8mm and definitely 16mm. All right, so I've got Velcro here going all the way up, and here I have my zipper right at the end of my finger. Okay, so I can just unzip this just like that. Add my film can, tape, and films. All right? And let's not forget the single 8, my choice. So put that up inside of there and get it zipped up nicely. So for those of you who don't know, this is how these bags work. Then attach the Velcro, all right? Then once you've got everything turned around, of course you just stick your hands up inside of here, okay? On both ends. You get all the way up through your arms on this end, and then there's another sleeve. But again, make sure that you check these double sleeves. It really helps out here. Elastic here and elastic here. Okay? It really does help out. Again, these things are huge. Okay? Really big. See what I mean? Big. So if you're a film student, enthusiast, just getting into filmmaking, this is a bag you're going to need. You're always going to need a film change bag. You change your film from the cartridges to the cans so you can ship your film out that's in your cans to a company to get processed. Okay? That's what you're going to need to do. Some of you are probably thinking, well, if it's in a Super 8 cartridge or a single 8 cartridge, why would I do that? You know, it's more likely going to be an 8mm or a 16mm, but if you're going to be an experimental film and you're going to be creative, okay, and also going to stock your film, you're going to need to go ahead and put it to the film cans after developing. But you want to be creative in your experimental filmmaking, so you're going to want to put it into the cans, okay, for processing. And that's where the bag comes in. All right, for single 8, Super 8, and again the 8mm and the 16mm, you're definitely going to need the change bag. Okay, do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen, and remember, as always, do subscribe. Until next time, see ya.